Store houses well stocked as this, there is always competition.
Here they come. Say bubbles. Tell Grandma. Oh, you want to blow some? Tell Grandma you want to blow some. Okay. Let Grandma. Let her blow it. Let her see if she can blow it. Here, now you blow. You blow. Blow bubbles. Wait. Alright. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Over that way. You blow. Hey, hurry up. Yeah! You did it! Blow bubbles. Here we go. I don't think that's going to work.